Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to view all blocked accounts on Discord, specifically for your Android device. If you've ever found yourself wondering who you've blocked, or just want to manage your blocked users better, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look for the U icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your user profile where you can manage various settings. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see a gear icon at the top right corner. This gear icon represents the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on that to access the settings for your account. Now, scroll down the list of options until you find the account section. Tap on it to enter the account settings. This is where you can manage your account information and privacy settings. Finally, keep scrolling down until you see the blocked users option. Tap on that, and voila. Here you can view all the accounts you've blocked on Discord. You'll see a list of usernames, and from here, you can choose to unblock anyone if you wish. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your blocked accounts on Discord. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively. Thanks for watching.